Hey, it's Paar here, and I never thought I'd be doing a video like this, but I'm here to tell you that I've been in your shoes. I just want to welcome you into my home and give you a little insight about my story and where my struggles were. I want to welcome you into my house, but before we go in, I just want to tell you a little bit about my backstory. I wasn't always in this situation. I never even imagined being in this situation and having everything at my hands and everything that I want to do and have the freedom that I want to do and be able to move wherever I want to go. And so where I started, I dropped out of high school when I was 17, ran off to California with a girlfriend. I didn't even have any money. I didn't even know how I was going to survive. And I started working as a paramedic, and I was making $4 an hour. I barely could make it. I qualified for food stamps at that time, and I was struggling. And so is what I want this video to do for you today is I want to bring you in, show you the details. We're going to jump on the computer. And I know if you're watching this video, you've gone through the struggles, you're going through struggles, you're just wondering, working hourly all the time, and it's just like you are tired, you're tired of and overwhelmed from looking online, and you just want something that's true and transparent, no magic button, and a real business that you're proud of. So let's go inside. Hey, welcome to my home in Nashville, Tennessee. I haven't always been in this situation, as I said. It wasn't until I came up on this system and that I could automate the income that I was bringing in. And I'm going to show you how to do this. Can you imagine having $100 or $300 more a day or even $1,000 a day? Those are the kind of numbers that I'm generating every single day. And it's through a system that gives you the freedom. And we're going to dive in. I'm going to show you all the things step by step on how this is done. And if you click below, it'll bring you into the training, and we're going to give it to you free today, and it's no obligation.